Hi everyone. I just thought I've got a few minutes, so I thought I'd quickly do a little release again about letting go. So, yesterday I was sort of talking about the high frequency on the planet over the next 6 weeks or so. So, it's that real time of letting go of attachments, sort of being aware of attachments first and letting go. So, I grabbed a bunch of letting go affirmations. So the goal over the next 6 weeks is, what am I attached to and what do I need to let go of? Okay, what am I attached to and what do I need to let go of? So just to get started, run that central meridian. Do the ESRs, emotional stress release points. Connect the celestial circuits, so hands on the base chakra and tongue on the roof of the mouth. Okay, hand on the belly button, rubbing the left and right underneath the clavicle, rubbing left and right. Swapping hands, rubbing left and right. That helps connect the left and right sides of the brain. Keeping the hand on the navel, rubbing the tailbone. Hand on the navel, rubbing the tailbone. That helps to connect the front and back of the brain. Hand on the navel, rubbing top and bottom of your lips. Hand on the navel, rubbing top and bottom of the lips. Helps to connect the top and bottom of your brain. Okay. Okay, so what am I attached to and what do I need to let go of? It is safe to let go of old attachments. It is easy to let go. I let go of past hurts. I let go of feelings of betrayal. I let go of feelings of revenge. I let go of resentment and anger. I let go of guilt. I let go of fear. I let go of feelings of inadequacy. It is safe to let go. I let go of reacting. I let go of past relationships. What do I need to let go of? What am I attached to? I let go of trauma patterns. I let go of past injustices and emotions. What do I need to let go of? What am I still attached to? I energetically release all people who are no longer part of my life. I energetically release all situations that no longer serve me. It is okay to let go of people I'm not energetically connected with. I let go of fear. I go of anger. I let go of guilt. I am happy being me. I choose life. I choose love. What am I attached to, and what do I need to let go of? Have a fabulous day, everyone. Take care.